The question is related to pardoning power of the president. Pardoning power of the president. Power of the president. So president has rejected mercy ply by convict in Nirbhaya case. So there was the Nirbhaya case, and in this president was denied about the mercy ply. It is quite old GK, but this is important. Article 72. Article 72 is important here. And this Article 72 is related to the Indian Constitution. Say that the President shall have the power to grant pardon, reprieve. President has the power to grant pardon, reprieve, respite, and remission. Okay, these powers are given to the President. And suspend or commute the sentence. He can suspend and commute the sentence. Okay, so what is pardon? So pardon meaning is completely from all sentence or punishment. So there is a all sentences and punishment. So he pardon for the completely, for the whole sentence, that is pardon. Commutation is what? Commutation is means to replace the punishment with less severe punishment. Now there is a less severe punishment. Less severe punishment, it was replacement. That was the commutation. Reprieve means temporary suspension of death sentence. So reprieve, what is about the reprieve? So next one is about the reprieve. Next one about the reprieve. And reprieve means the temporary suspension of the death sentence. If there is a temporary suspension of the death sentence, so death sentence, if there is a temporary suspension of the death sentence, that means it is known as a reprieve. Respite is what? Respite means awarding a lesser punishment on some special ground like pregnancy. If there is awarding the lesser punishment on the sub-special ground, that is the pregnancy, that is the respite. And remission is reduction of the amount of sentence without changing its character. In the remission, we are not changing the character, but in the respite, we are awarding lesser punishment with changing the character. In the reprieve, we are giving temporary suspension of death sentence. Means reprieve means we are just suspending the death sentence. Okay, and now president can exercise these power in all cases where the punishment or the sentence is a court martial. If there is a court martial, that means president is going to be punished for these cases. In all cases where the punishment or the sentence is for an offence against any law relating to the matter to which the executive power of the union extend. So the power to pardon of the president is extended on the advice of Council of Minister. It will be extended on advice of the Council of Minister. Now next is related to the 9th schedule of Indian Constitution. 9th schedule of the Indian Constitution. 9th schedule is demanded to put reservation provision for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC as a constitution. It is demanded for the reservation of the OBC, SC and ST. Okay, so 9th schedule of the constitution contain a list of the central and state law, and there are a central law and the state law. Central laws and the state laws are there which cannot be challenged in the court, and it cannot be challenged in the court, and these laws are not challenged in the court. Okay, so any act which is added under the 9th schedule gets resistant from any encroachment from the judiciary. It was added the first amendment of the Constitution of 1951 and 31A of the Constitution brought in the government to protect law related to the agrarian reform. So there is given the agrarian reform for the abolishing of the Jamindari Act, also. Okay, so IR Coelho versus state of Tamil Nadu. IR Kolho versus state of Tamil Nadu, that is given, the Supreme Court held that law placed in the schedule were open to judicial scrutiny, and it is open for the judicial scrutiny, and it is open for the judicial scrutiny. Okay, it is open for the judicial scrutiny. So it will never violate any fundamental right, and if yes, whether violation also damage the basic structure. So answer to both the question is affirmative, either it is damaging the basic structure or violating the fundamental right. So 9th schedule can be declared the unconstitutional in these both cases. Okay, so these two topics we discussed.